welcome back to my YouTube channel World of TREDEC. Returning with private aircraft, civilian private aircraft, and returning with Aurora model kits. This is the stunning vintage Cessna 310 with this fantastic art from that era. Very nice. I really like these old model kits. Cessna 310 from Aurora. It's a little box, very strong cardboard, so you won't have any problem when you receive from shipping if you buy it from any internet, eBay or Amazon, etc. Okay, this is the explanation about the size of this box. Cessna 310 all plastic assembly kit, the same cover. This is the Aurora logo, and this is the year of manufacturing. It's 1963. Aurora Plastic Corp, West Hempstead, New York, made in USA. This is a price sticker from the hobby dealer, I think. Its name is Hearts, 39 cents, I think. The kit number is 28350 from Aurora. Well, nothing more to say about the box. Let's open it up and see the contents. The pieces are in blue. Very nice quality color of these pieces. This is a sprue, the clear parts, the display stand in blue, the building instructions, very vintage, and these wonderful water stickers of this model. Let's start with the building instructions. Very easy to follow. This is a simple model kit with just 25 pieces, counting with the sticker, water stickers paper. Okay, as always, they are recommending, this is a very nice finished model. No landing gear. You should assemble it flying, in the flying position, with a display stand. Sorry, no landing gear unless you want to make it by your own the landing gear. Okay. Important, read this first. Some recommendations. The Aurora's products at that time, I insist, 1963. It's very valuable. Let's check the steps. Cessna 310, the gas deposits, let's call it that way. Step number 1. Step number 2, assembling two blades propellers with the hubs. They will spin the fuselage, the wing halves, the other wing halves, the fuselage halves with the windows inside, and mounting directly through the display stand support, putting the top of the wings, the windscreen, the display stand base, and the stabilizer in one piece, just one piece, and that's it. 4 steps. That's very simple model kit. So if you want to get a full color 44-page collector's catalog of hobby kits, you should write to the Aurora Plastic Corp, the address. But I think that there is no longer that address, I think. Well, let's show the stickers, water stickers. They gotta be restored, the white parts, they are yellowed, so we need to expose it to the sunlight in order to recover it. Okay, so that's easy to restore. Let's check the parts they got in this Ziploc. Not originally, but I put them on this part. Look, the wings got very smooth panel lines. It's recessed panel lines with printed the US registration November 500 Eco. This is the top half, or maybe the top, or the that's not the top. This is the lower part, the bottom half, and this is the top. Okay, with the same feature about the printed recessed US registration. The other wings, halves, separated. The fuselage, very simple, extremely simple, but it's very lovable aircraft. Very nice for this display stand. Nothing inside, no seats, no pilots. The other fuselage half. The other fuselage halves with panel lines, very smooth panel lines. It's recessed panel lines. Very easy to build. One solid mold for the stabilizer. No halves. Same blue color. The propellers with 2 blades. Very nice and quality plastic. Some hubs, little hubs. The tanks for the gas, extra gas at the top of the wings. The sprue with more hubs for the propellers. The display stand, very exclusive, from Aurora. It's a kind of elliptical shape for the base, and by pressing it you will get the nice feature of this display stand, and to show the aircraft. But in this, it's gonna be worked with pivot and showing the beautiful and elegant aircraft. Very nice, very nice. Congrats to Aurora model kits, Aurora brand. These are the these are the windows, transclear windows, very nice finishing, and this excellent windshield. Okay, very good, very good. So that's all about this wonderful model kit from Aurora, the stunning Cessna 310. Well, thank you very much for your attention, and let's go on to the next review. Bye bye.